So in this video, as the title suggests, I'll be looking at some American silver coinage at spot price of silver, which I bought on a online auction eBay. There should be $4 in silver face value, these coins. The first one is a 40% silver Kennedy, $half. There'll be quite a few $half in this lot. Another Kennedy half. And another Kennedy half. These are all 40% silver. About 7 of them is equal to 1 troy ounce in pure silver content. Now we have 1 silver quarter, nicely toned, 1932. A 90% silver Walking Liberty $half. Another quarter. One more 40% silver, $half. And a silver 10-cent dime. So in total we have $1 of 90% silver and $3 of 40% silver. Hope you liked the video.